This is the reason why I got paid a little bit more. Look at my screen. Can you figure it out? This last passenger was supposed to be $15, but I got paid a little bit more. Let me know if you figured it out yet, because I like to teach you guys how I drive. Why do you think I got paid more? Right here. Charging for wait time. Anytime you have to wait, the price goes up. So a $15 ride, let's see how much it turned into. $18, almost $19, right? $19 because I had to sit there, wait, I had to load everything, right? And now we're at $73 in three trips, okay? The time is 11:21 in the morning. And here's one more thing I want to tell you. Remember, if you watched my last video, it was surging over here, right? And because of the surge, I came here. Where's the surge? It was fake, and I was right about it. But I'm sticking to my plan: $15 to $20 to move, and just keep trickling away. Right now, I need another. I think if my math is right, around $27 to get to 100. Let's do that, right? Now, for my last video, you already know around noon there's a flight coming. So let's double check. We're gonna look at what it's showing. And in my last video, it showed down here, it was 1 out of 5, right? This is not bad. This is not a long wait, okay? And I might go that way, right? And let's just confirm and make sure the flight is still there. Yep, flight's still coming in at 12 o'clock. I don't know how many flights are coming in, but that's a good time to be there. But we're in a position where we can actually go and check LAX too, right? LAX is normally hot around 11 o'clock. No, LAX is over 240 people. Uber, okay. Anytime it's full, it's not worth going to LAX, okay? Now I need to make a decision. So before I make my decision, I like to teach you guys, right? It's all about learning. What would you do and where would you go? You can let me know in the comments, because that's how this game works, right? It's a podcast. I tell you what I'm doing and what I'm thinking, and you let me know what you would do. And this is how you can kind of gear yourself and figure out if you're making the right decisions or wrong decisions, okay? There's Trump Golf Course over here. In the past, I've gone like this and gone here and gone this way, and I've made money. That's one option. If you've watched what I've been teaching you guys, is hug the ocean, right? Another thing to do is go over here to Long Beach, to Seal Beach, and kind of go that way. That's another route you can take. And the third route you can do is right here. This is the common sense one. Just go to Long Beach, relax, take it easy. 9 out of 10 times you're going to get lucky, okay? That's probably my suggestion. Fourth option for you is to go this way and end up here, and you can test Torrance, and you can test places like this, okay? What would you do? Let me know in the comments, my friends. All right, now let me tell you what I'm gonna do. I gave you guys enough time to think. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. I am already gonna go over here. You already know it. You already know me. If you're watching me, you already know what I'm gonna do. Let's see how long it's gonna take. 18 minutes, 14 miles. I've driven 120 miles so far today for $73. Now this is, I don't know any way around this, right? There's no way. There's too many drivers that came here, and they're all dropping people for the Discovery Princess cruise, right? So the fact that I might get somebody, it's going to be pure luck. But we're going to turn the pets on. We're going to turn this on, and we're going to see what the algorithm has to hold. I will let you guys know as soon as something pops up. As soon as something pops up or something important comes up, I'll let you know. Otherwise, my next update might be from right around here. I think I might get off the freeway and just test this for 5 minutes. Turn the app on and off for 5 minutes. I've done this in the past. Sometimes it'll give me $10 to go back this way, and I don't want to do that, right? I'm not going to come back this way, but I'll test it. Now I'm over here. Logically, it makes sense for Uber to give me something. They'll take me over here for $10 and I'll do it. Why? Because that's the minimum Uber pays over here. $10 to go over the bridge for some reason, right? And I remember that from the last time I was here. I'm on my way, but look, the homeboy in Miami made some good money. And listen to this.
Lo que están bailando, saludos.
Basically, one of the guys on our WhatsApp group is from Miami. He made $350 yesterday. And now he's like women, beer, and smoking, and he's having a blast. I'm still on my way. Nothing popped up. No options, not even $3. So I turned the app off. And then when I get close to Long Beach, right here, when I come around the bend, I will turn it on. Right here, when I come around that, I'll turn it back on. Okay, check it out. I popped out. Instead of going this way, the moment I saw this fake surge over here, I didn't go that way. And let me tell you why. This is my reasoning. If a surge pops off here, all the drivers are gonna go here, right? All the drivers are gonna go like that. That's where they're going, right? So if all the drivers are gonna go pop towards the surge, what am I gonna do? Yes, originally I was gonna go like this and end up at the airport. Now I've diverted. Now I'm gonna turn the app on and go this way and work my way to the airport that way. Let me draw it again for you guys. So because there's a fake surge over here, and look, this is downtown Long Beach. There's a lot of buildings here. There's a lot of businesses here, right? Because of that fake surge over there, my strategy changed. I'm gonna go here and then I'm gonna drive. Yes, it's gonna take me a little bit longer to get to here, but I'm at a very busy tourist area and it's worth checking this area out. We can get lucky, all right? And it's all about getting lucky, my friends. Let's turn it on. See if anything pops up. There you go. Fake surge is gone. No problem. But I'm hoping like a magnet, all the drivers went up here, right? All the drivers went up here like a magnet. And then I'm hoping I did the right move. But you know what? You won't know until I find out, right? This is the way this works. We don't know. This is I call it a broken algorithm. Broken algorithm, my friends. But now, if I put it like this, I'm just gonna check. Good. Uber X went down. Comfort went down from earlier, which is very good, right? We still have time. Let's see how long it's gonna take me to get there. I know the algorithm wants me to go that way because that's the fastest way to get there, but no, we're gonna go our own way. We're gonna go the way I explained it to you. Because right here, even though there's drivers here, I think I have a better chance. It's gonna take me a little bit longer, and I gotta get gas. I'll keep you posted. This is a first ride that popped up in the area. 20 minutes, $6. We're not gonna do it, but I wanted you guys to understand my philosophy, right? This is now we're getting back to the container situation, right? The container is what? There is crap, poop all over right here, right? And that's a $6, $5, $4. And if you don't understand this, go back and watch my videos from today, from the beginning. There's another crap, right? I call it crap because we're not going to take anything less than $15, right? And understand, look, it's building up again. $6, $8, right? Now, if it starts going crazy, then it's worth sitting here, letting all the crap go, and then cherry pick that $20 or $30 ride that pops out, right? But what is the algorithm going to do? And you don't want to go backwards, right? That's not taking you closer to Long Beach Airport, right? You do not want to go backwards, right? But it was a good move to pull out and to check what's going on, right? If you go back and you watch my videos from this morning, I was at UC Riverside waiting. 6 or 7 crap rides came, but I waited. I said, one of these kids is gonna wake up. Lo and behold, I got a $33 ride to LA. It was crap because it was 55 miles, but it allowed me to be in position and it allowed me to drive. So it was worth taking that $33, in my opinion. Okay, right now I'm going down Ocean Boulevard and we're on Pine Ave. Okay, memorize that. If you go to the right, there's a convention center here. There's a lot of hotels here. A lot of people walking. I can actually see them. Like, I see a bunch of women walking with the badge right here. Let me see if I can read it. No, I can't read it. But what I'm saying is, it's showing there's a convention or something going on and people are visiting. Right place at the right time. Remember that. And if you go to the right over here, dude, this is a vacation hotspot, right? Just sit, park here for an hour, you'll do just fine. I prefer to go to the airport and use my strategy because my strategy is airport to airport. Now you might be thinking, Ahmed, 22 minutes to get to the airport. You could have taken the freeway. You could have gotten there in 15 minutes. Why are you doing this? Well, let's see. This is how I experiment. And by experimenting, what I mean is you have to try it out. You have to move. You have to get off the freeway. In my opinion, if I take 15 minutes and go to the fake surge and take the freeway, I'm moving too fast. I might not get anything. But by me taking another 10 minutes and checking these pockets and moving between the, you know, like going after the breadcrumbs, who knows? Maybe you might get lucky and pop a big one out. I think one of the biggest things that I'm trying to teach you guys is think outside the box, be creative, be imaginative, right? The algorithm can't do that. These engineers can't do that. These billionaires, they don't come here and drive like us. So we have to break it and we have to make it work for ourselves. And when it works, then we teach each other through WhatsApp, through Twitter, to YouTube, through TikTok, whatever it takes, right? Because that's the only way we're going to beat the game. The only way you beat the game is you work together. And instead of one driver, we become 100 drivers. Instead of 100 drivers, we become 1,000 drivers. 1,000 drivers turning the app on and off, we can break the algorithm like this. Like right now, I'm paying attention to why is it having me go this way, right? Right? The algorithm knows. Remember, Uber has a good idea where the passengers are, and it's going to guide you that way. It's going to take you where there's a reservation, but not tell you there's a reservation, but give you a lowball offer, right? Then it's going to give you something a little bit higher, right? So always pay attention. Well, why is it making me go this way, right? I can just go straight and then cut across and get on the freeway, right? Confuse it, completely mix and match, right? Turn it on, turn it off. Now I'm showing you the right route is, right? You look at Google, Google's going to tell you the proper way to go, right? I'm going to follow Google. I'm not going to follow Uber, right? Because Uber is doing what? Right? It's taking us down a path where there's more money for Uber, right? I don't mind Uber making money, but pay me what's due for me, right? And if you're not, then we're going to follow Google Maps on the right-hand side. And trust me, Uncle Google's not making any money right now. Uncle Google's not getting a penny. Now you can see that Uber has aligned to Google, and we're gonna go ahead and turn Google off. Right now we're gonna go ahead and just use Uber, because now Uber's not forcing us to go a particular way, and we don't have to see if it's trying to manipulate us and have us go in a direction to pick up a $5 reservation. I have to keep remembering when it's quiet like this to make sure all my settings are turned on. Perfect. Because sometimes I forget. I'll be driving, I'm like, yo, it's not barking, nothing's coming, what's going on? Lo and behold, I had everything turned off. The app has been put into timeout because it didn't give me anything in Long Beach, not even $3. And I don't like that when it does stuff like that. So it's app off. I'm going to upload this video and then turn this back on in 5 minutes, take a break, meditate, relax, enjoy my day a little bit, and slowly work my way to the airport, right? In the next video, you'll know if I got somebody or if I'm at the airport. Then I'll start working on my YouTube channel.